Good morning and welcome to Equipment Remarketing. We're taking a look at a 2006 Transcraft 45 foot by 102. Folks, for a 2006, this is a beautiful unit. Steel wood deck, brand new kingpin plate underneath this unit has been installed. The entire inside structure has been rebuilt on that kingpin plate for you. This unit's in excellent condition. As you can see, the beam, the joists have been turbo blasted, primed, and repainted. Brand new buyer's toolbox on the passenger side. Steel refurbed outer rim. Brand new rubber all the way around the unit. Brakes and drums been replaced. This is an air ride sliding suspension. Universal mounting kit, Moffett, Princeton, Loadmac, many other brands. This unit is adjustable, will move from 23 to 28 inch spread for different lifts to be able to fit up underneath there. Refurb steel outer rim, brand new rubber all the way around, sliding suspension, brand new straps, refurbed ratchets, wood decks in excellent condition. Take a look at our website, 99lifts.com. Give us a call at 260-238-4998. We're more than happy to help you out with any questions you might have, whether it's truck, trailer, piggyback Moffetts, piggyback Princeton forklifts, and Loadmacs. Give us a call. Let us know what we can help you with.